you ready for another multi-billion-dollar meme coin that's right underneath your heart? That's right, Bonk. I've got some pretty exciting news and my prediction of why this is going to be another 2, 3, 4, even $5 billion market cap very, very soon. I'm going to break it down for you all in this video. All you've got to do, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Let's get into it. So welcome back, everybody. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on as well, so you stay up to date with all our live stream content as well as our daily updates right here on the channel. And we truly appreciate you being part of the community. But let's take a look at Bonk, the meme coin narrative, the ignition spark that we need for the next bull run, in my opinion. Overall market, $52.5 billion, trading around 4.2 billion. So we actually have seen a decline of around 14% trading volume across the meme coin narrative. Now you will down there and see Bonk is the 7th highest meme right there, about 11.2%, trading currently at 25.34. But the interesting factor, $130 million away from taking Floki's position. Now, it actually had a pullback. It was doing very, very well yesterday, and the kind of price cooled just a little bit. But Bonk looking like it wants to move 80% up in volume, price on its way, and we're nearly back to those all-time highs from around a month ago. You can see us starting to potentially push. We were actually retesting that level. Rejection at the top, came back down, but building significant strength. And you may be thinking, Tube, what are you talking about? Why do you think that this is going to happen? Well, there's a couple of key things to talk about. Namely, the upward trend on the technicals is giving us a view that we're actually going to see a significant push to the upside. We can see here, it says if a bullish reversal pattern holds true, the Bonk price could rise 22%, challenging the neckline resistance of around those 403 mark. Ultimately, we could equally see a break above the barrier and would accelerate by momentum, chasing potentially 40712, which would be a wild price prediction, aligned to the BB indicator, the Bollinger Bands, and the relative strength indicator, all positioning us for a strong move on Bonk. Now, nothing happens for the sake of it. Things have to have a reason. Ultimately, things are behind market moves. And when it comes to something like Bonk, it has probably the biggest move behind it yet. And that is the Phantom Wallet and the Solana ecosystem. Now, we know Phantom Wallet is now gone to be top utility app on Apple. And this is important because it's bringing new people to the space. When we think about how people got into crypto before, it would have been through a centralized exchange. Now, more so than ever, DeFi, decentralized finance, and allowing you to be the custodian of your own finance is absolutely critical. At the same time, it absolutely is in the Solana phones. We saw it in the second set of Solana phones. That ultimately Bonk is at the forefront of everything to do with Solana. So in my opinion, not only is the Solana catalyst coming that everyone's expecting $200 in the coming weeks for Solana, that actually Bonk will ride that wave, as well as some of the other ones. WIF could be a big player, and many, many more. So right behind the scenes, there is a huge potential, and I definitely think a further upside to come. Now, here's the crazy thing when it comes to Bonk, though. It feels like it's the underlying, the underdog when it comes to it. We saw WIF blow up, Pepe blow up, Floki's even moving on that burn mechanism, but Bonk quietly building, quietly working hard, bringing core utility with the Bonk bot to the platform. And I think this absolutely will drive significant volume into the markets and, more importantly, drive it into Bonk as well. Now, one of the other reasons I've turned very bullish on Bonk is because not a lot of people are talking about it. It's actually dropped off a little bit of sentiment around YouTubers, Twitter influencers, but this is a good news story because actually this is building core strength and sustainability without huge marketing pushes. We obviously saw them at the recent events over in Las Vegas where they were pushing the narrative. But when you take a look at the price action, it is actually starting to look very, very good right here on the price for Bonk. So we can see this break above the 50-day simple moving average with a nice little bounce and everything moving in the right direction. MACD just got a very good bullish cross as the momentum in the market starts to push. Yes, we're down about 3.3% in line with the pullback on Bitcoin, a bit of news coming out, but in my opinion, Bonk setting up, if you look at the macro on the weekly as well, Bonk is still in a very, very good upward trend. So in my opinion, get ready. I think we're going to see some breakthrough resistance levels. I think this week is a big, big week for cryptocurrency. I think we'll see some huge investment coming into Bitcoin, and naturally it's going to flow down, and Bonk is one of those you need to keep your eye on. Let me know though in the comments down below, what do you think? Is Bonk your choice, Are you with Pepe? As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.